Well, this is another long day. We cut a bunch of wood up and we fixed the barbed wire fence where the tree fell through the fence. We still have to go out there and pull the tree limbs out of the bushes that we cut the tops of that tree that fell. It's a big old tree, and we got another one down that way. We're gonna keep on working, getting the fence line straightened out so he can have his calves over here and be in business again. And that's what we do. We're trying to make other people's lives better, man. And this is just me doing one more thing. I'm not a real experienced at, but I'm getting better and better at it. Fence stretchers and such. Chainsaw adjustments, all those things. So I'm just trying to share with you guys. Tomorrow we'll do a little more description on how we did it as far as fence stretching and such. Cutting trees, you know, maybe we'll show you a little bit of that too. In the meantime, we'll see you a little bit later.